Ranger Ortiz is an American social media personality and child influencer, best known as the youngest member of the popular YouTube family vlogging channel Familia Diamond. With his cute appearances in family videos, pranks, challenges and everyday life content, Ranger has become a fan favorite, contributing to the channel's massive success and helping amass a dedicated following across platforms. Ranger was born in California, United States to parents Esthalla Ortiz and Sdiezzel Ortiz. His birth was documented and celebrated in a viral vlog on the Familia Diamond YouTube channel, marking his instant entry into the public eye. Ranger's career began before he was even born. His parents created a self-titled YouTube channel for him in September 2018, which has garnered subscribers despite limited uploads focused solely on him. He gained widespread recognition through Familia Diamond, a channel run by his parents that features daily vlogs, challenges, pranks, reviews, fashion hauls, and family adventures. As of late 2025, the channel has over 9 to 10 million subscribers and billions of views, making it one of the top family vlogging channels on YouTube. Ranger frequently stars in videos, often showcasing his playful personality, sibling interactions and milestones. The family collaborates on TikTok and other platforms, where Ranger's appearances contribute to viral content. The Ortiz family's content emphasizes fun, family values and relatability, appealing to a young audience. They have expanded into brand deals, merchandise and collaborations with other influencers. Ranger is homeschooled or attends private school. He is described as energetic, stylish and adorable. With dark brown hair and eyes, he enjoys playing with his siblings' toys and participating in family activities like travel and photoshoots. Ranger Ortiz represents the next generation of family vloggers growing up entirely in the spotlight alongside his famous siblings. He is the son of Esthalla and Sdiezzel Ortiz and has several siblings, including the well-known social media star Tsunami Ortiz. Ranger has developed his own presence on platforms like Instagram, where he has hundreds of thousands of followers.